Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical equations. Our equation is x cube minus 2 raised to the power 21 equal to 2 raised to the power 20 times cube root of x plus 64. And we are going to calculate real solutions. So let's get started with our substitution straight away. I will consider x equal to 64a, or I can write 2 raised to the power 6 times a. So I can write our equation as 2 raised to the power 6 times a whole cube minus 2 raised to the power 21 equal to 2 raised to the power 20 times cube root of 64a plus 64. Now I can use the property from exponents power rule. A power b whole power c, we can write a power b times c. So I can write our equation as 2 raised to the power 18 times a cube minus 2 raised to the power 21 equal to 2 raised to the power 20 times cube root of 64 is common. In the bracket we can write a plus 1. Now let us divide our equation by 2 raised to the power 18. So I will divide 2 raised to the power 18, 2 raised to the power 18, 2 raised to the power 18. So here we can cancel 2 raised to the power 18 from numerator and denominator. So I can write a cube minus 2 raised to the power 21 over 2 raised to the power 18. This will give us 2 raised to the power 21 minus 18, so 3 equal to 2 raised to the power 20 minus 18, so 2 power 2 times I can write cube root 64 as 4. So it will be 4 times cube root of a plus 1. So I can write a cube minus 8 equal to 4 times 4 times cube root of a plus 1. So a cube minus 8 equal to 4 times 4. So 16 we can write cube root of a plus 1. Now I can consider factorization. 16 we can write 2 times 8. So I will be writing 8 times 2 and then cube root of a plus 1. Can we write 2 as cube root 8? We can write 2 as cube root 8 times cube root of a plus 1. Now I can club these two radicals. So I can write 8 times cube root of 8 times a plus 1. Or I can write equal to 8 times cube root of 8a plus 8. Left hand side we will write a cube minus 8. Now let us consider this radicand 8a plus 8 equal to b cube. So I can write our equation as a cube minus 8 equal to 8 times cube root b cube. So it will become b. And from this substitution itself, I can write 8a plus 8 equal to b cube, or b cube minus 8 equal to 8a. So we have two equations here. Let me write a cube minus 8 equal to 8b and b cube minus 8 equal to 8a. I will subtract second equation from first one. So plus and minus 8 will be over. I can write a cube minus b cube equal to 8 times b minus a, or we can write minus 8 times a minus b. Take all the terms to one side. So a cube minus b cube plus 8 times a minus b equal to 0. Now we can write a cube minus b cube formula. It is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square plus 8 times a minus b equal to 0. Now a minus b is common. So in other bracket we can write a square plus b square plus ab plus 8 equal to 0. So from here we can conclude either a minus b will be equal to 0 or a square plus b square plus ab plus 8 equal to 0. So from first equation I can conclude a equal to b. And from second equation, which I will write here, a square plus b square plus ab equal to negative 8. Let's multiply this equation with 4. So I can write 4a square plus 4b square plus 4ab equal to negative 32. Now we can split 4b square as, I will write b square plus 3b square. So the last term 4ab, then we can write 3b square equal to negative 32. Now from first three terms, we can write it is 2a plus b whole square plus 3b square. The sum of two squares is coming out negative. Sum of two squares we are getting negative, so solution will be complex. So I can write here, we will get complex solutions. So we can reject it. So a equal to b will be our solution. So I can write a minus b equal to 0, which was our first equation of the result. A equal to b. Now I will write our equation a cube minus 8 equal to 8b. So here I will write b equal to a. So a cube minus 8 equal to 8a, or a cube minus 8a minus 8 equal to 0. Now we can use rational root theorem. If I will find factors of number 8, I will write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 8. Let us plug in a equal to 1. So 1 minus 8 minus 8. No, it won't give us RHS 0. Let us consider a equal to negative 1. So minus 1 plus 8 minus 8. Again no. If I will plug in a equal to negative 2, then minus 8 plus 16 minus 8. Yes, plus 16 minus 16 is 0. So I can say a equal to minus 2 is our base solution, or a plus 2 is one factor of cubic equation. And equation is a cube minus 8a minus 8 equal to 0. Let me write here. A cube minus 8a minus 8 equal to 0. A plus 2 is one factor. So I can write a plus 2 times one quadratic equation we can consider, or expression we can consider. It will be a square plus pa plus q equal to 0. Now I will consider product. So I can write here a cube plus p plus 2 times a square plus 2p plus q times a plus 2q equal to 0. Now we can compare both the equations with its coefficient. So I can conclude from here 2q will be equal to negative 8. So I can write 2q equal to negative 8 and p plus 2 will be equal to 0. So from here p equal to negative 2 and q equal to negative 8 over 2. So q will be equal to negative 4, which I will apply here. So I can write equation a plus 2 times a square minus 2a minus 4 equal to 0. Now our task is done. We have to only find factors of quadratic equation or roots of quadratic equation. So I can write a plus 2 times our equation a square minus 2a minus 4 equal to 0. So a equal to negative 2. From this equation a plus 2 equal to 0 and a square minus 2a minus 4 equal to 0. Then we can use quadratic formula. It will be equal to minus b. So minus of minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 4 over 2 times 1, so 2. This will give us 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 16 over 2, or I can write 2 plus minus square root 20 over 2. Further we can write 2 plus minus 2 root 5 over 2, or we can write 1 plus minus square root 5. So we have three values of a: negative 2 and 1 plus minus square root 5. Now we have to calculate x, and our substitution was x equal to 64a. So I will write first a equal to negative 2 and 1 plus minus square root 5. Let's multiply both sides by 64. So I will write 64a equal to negative 2 times 64 and 64 times 1 plus minus root 5. So this will be equal to our x. So I can write our answer x equal to negative 2 raised to the power 7 we can write, and 2 raised to the power 6 times 1 plus minus square root 5. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video. Bye bye.